Starling Bank's overdraft policy is designed around clarity, flexibility, and a tiered interest structure. Understanding how the arranged and unarranged overdrafts work can help you manage your personal finances more effectively without unexpected costs. For arranged overdrafts, Starling Bank utilizes three distinct variable equivalent annual rates, which are 15%, 25%, or 35% EAR. The specific rate you are offered depends on a credit assessment and information pulled from major credit reference agencies. The representative April for standard arranged overdraft sits at 15%. If you happen to be a student using a Starling student account, you can access a specialized student overdraft of up to £500 at 0% EAR. Eligibility for a Starling overdraft requires you to have an open, verified personal current account. You can apply directly through the mobile app, which triggers a soft credit check initially to assess your financial history without leaving a mark on your credit score. If you accept an offered overdraft limit, which typically ranges between £100 and £5,000 for eligible customers, a hard credit check is then officially recorded. One of the most notable features of Starling's policy is its approach to fees and account controls. Starling does not charge any additional monthly account fees or flat borrowing fees on top of the calculated interest. Interest is accrued daily and billed on the 15th day of the following month. Furthermore, the app features an interactive overdraft slider tool. This allows users to manually cap or lower their active overdraft limit at any time, giving you strict control over how much you are able to borrow. When it comes to unarranged borrowing, meaning you attempt to spend past your agreed limit or spend when your balance is zero without an overdraft facility, Starling's policy states that they do not charge any additional fees or extra interest on that unarranged amount. However, payments and direct debits exceeding your balance or cap may be declined, and repeated unarranged borrowing can still negatively impact your credit profile over time. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.